Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today we have an absolutely epic coin for you. I'm not even over exaggerating. This is amazing. This is the Mongolia 2021 Mystic Wolf. Now it is an ultra high relief coin. We'll have a little look at the certificate. There's the cover for you. Now I love how this certificate is a part of the decoration for the packaging, but it's also your certificate. So here we can see that it is done by Mongolia. It's 1000 Togrog 2021, 2 ounce silver, 3/9 silver that is. Now this is a black proof and it's a smart minting product. So that means we've got ultra high relief with a lot of details. The mintage in there is quite attractive as well at 999 pieces. And let's get into it. This is the second in the Wild Mongolia series. For those of you that have seen the start of the series, you'll know that it was done in 2020 and it was the majestic eagle. So here we come. This is 2021. The wolf, mystic wolf. And it is amazing. Look at that capsule. Housed in this huge capsule. You can even see the detail through there, but don't you worry, I'm going to take it out, of course. There we go. Let's have a closer look. Now, I did mention before, it was pressed for the country of Mongolia. Now, if that's not an awesome obverse, I don't know what is. Check that out. You've got the full-on massive sharp teeth of the wolf there. All the details from the whiskers and the snout of the wolf. You've got awesome decorative detail coming around there, and you can just see the year 2021 is popped into that detail. I mean, check that out from a side view. That's phenomenal. Awesome. So the silver is really nice as well, that black proof. Turning it over there to the reverse. You've got an awesome side profile of a wolf, again, with fantastic detail. And there on the other side, you've got a front-on profile. Try and get a little bit closer there for you. You can see just how much detail has gone into this coin. Really, really nice. Just awesome. That smart minting, just the high release are fantastic. Really does set new standards. So if this is a coin you'd like to have in your collection, go ahead and take a closer look at www.emk.com.